Let's do a flamingo. So first I'm going to mix color. I'm doing pink and white, and I'm going to take a coral. I'm just going to kind of mix them together loosely. They don't have to be perfectly mixed because more dimensions okay. So start at the tail of your flamingo, come up and out, almost like you're doing a cat eye. So this point on the right is where the neck's going to connect, and down on the left is where the lower bum and feathers is. So you can go and do an extra little feather flip there if you want, and just make it come out. Now, right above the point of where the neck's going to connect, I'm going to take a ball and elongate it and create the head. I'm using that same mix I used. Then I'm going to grab a little bit of it, curve towards my left, and come down to that meeting point. Okay, now take a little bit of the coral or the pink and trace in certain spots, little stripes. It kind of just creates more feather of a look. And then you can cure this if you'd like. Here's the trick. Straight down for the leg, I'm just using black. You have to go backwards and then forward, so the knee bends backwards. I have made that mistake, and it's no longer a flamingo if you don't do that. And we're gonna do, I guess I went a little out of focus, I know guys. I'm just giving a little eyeball, and then a little beak. We'll add it in black. You could do it in like a darker pink, a lighter pink, however you want. I just like to use it, and it kind of hooks a little bit. And there you go, Flamingo Nail Art. Give it a shot. Let me know how it goes.